quick look-see from the back rooms of this very rare IBM 74F9606. Everybody likes to talk about their rare IBMs, but I don't know any keyboard collector with one of these bad boys. It's a lockout bag, and you can flip this up to let you pull the cord through, which can let you, you tighten the drawstring, you clamp it back down, you put a lock through, nobody can open it. This thing's pretty cool. And you can fit a whole keyboard in it. Huge! And now a little sound test. No stabilizer rattle at all.